What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I did my bangs today, so if they look a little crazy, I'm sorry. I haven't done them in a while, so I feel like they're not used to being actual bangs. They've been pushed back for months now. Okay, maybe like a month now, just because they're growing out. I don't know how I feel about them, so we're just gonna pretend they're not there. So if you don't like them, I'm so sorry, because I don't really like them either anymore. But for today's video, I'm gonna do a two-parter on how to become famous on TikTok. So your girl is not TikTok famous, but I have a couple thousand TikTok followers. So I've learned some things over the last couple of months on being on TikTok. I have been on TikTok for exactly, I think 3 months, no, 2.5 months now, and I've gained over 40,000 followers in less than 2 months, which is insane. So I'm going to tell you guys what I did to grow my following so much and all of that, but I'm going to be making it into 2 videos, so this video is not too crazy. So I have a total of 9 tips. So in this video, I think I'm going to do 5, and then in the next one, I will do 4. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I will leave it down in the description below, and let's get into the tips. So the first tip that I have is do your research, because I think research is super important on TikTok. On the For You page and see what people are liking at the moment, what sounds are popular, what dances are popular at the moment, because those will get you the most views at the time, because everything is always changing on TikTok. Dances are always changing. There's always different sounds and all of that. There has been so many different sounds and dances since I've been on it. I've learned so many. It's not even funny. So I think that is like one of the most important things, is definitely do your research on what's trending, what's popular, what are people liking, see what are the most liked videos, because those are like, I'm telling you, you need to do those videos. They're very popular. So definitely just do your research. The next one is find your formula. So what I mean by that is use what you're good at. So if you're good at dancing, if you're good at singing, if you're good at art, baking, use that to your advantage and make TikTok videos upon that. And then also see what sounds are trending with that type of drawing or that type of dance or that type of song, and use that to your advantage. People love when people can actually dance. Like your girl here does not know how to dance. Like I learned to dance maybe 20 minutes and it's not even perfect because I'm not a dancer. But if you're a dancer, literally like use that to your advantage. That will get you so many followers. People love a good dancer or a good singer or a good artist or a good baker, or if someone bakes, like I said, like if someone cooks really well, people are like, oh my gosh, I like that. Starbucks videos, people love when you create Starbucks videos on there. So if you're a Starbucks barista, create your own Starbucks drinks on TikTok and post them. People love that. It is so easy to post a 15-second to 60-second video on how to make some crazy drink, and people would totally go try it. The next tip is be relevant. So whatever is trending out in the world or whatever. So right now what's trending in the world is the coronavirus. And I've seen quite a bit of TikToks on the coronavirus, and yes, it's not something you should joke about, but it actually lightens the mood on everything, because everything is so serious and scary right now and people are scared. So like some people I've seen like joke about it, and it's helped people and it's made them feel better and it's not as worried. So be relevant, use hashtags, popular sounds, trends, anything, world events, like I said, the coronavirus, like make sure you are relevant. Don't do something where like, oh look, it's like a ladybug on a flower. Like do something that's very relevant. If you're like at Disney World, do Disney World TikToks. Do what good, like what snacks are good to eat in Disney. Your cheerleading tournament, I've seen so many of those. Like just make sure you're relevant, because the more you're relevant, the more people see it, the more people like it, the more people follow you, the more followers you get. So my next tip is definitely to use hashtags. Hashtags are so important. It's not even funny. There's a lot of people I have seen on the For You page though that haven't used hashtags, and they've gotten on the For You page and their video has went viral, but that isn't as easy to do as it seems. So use hashtags like FYP for your For You page, or For You page, For You. Look at other people's hashtags to the sound you're using and use their hashtags they're using on the sound that you're using too. So like, make sure you do hashtags that correlate with your video. So if you're dancing, hashtag dance, dancing, girl dancing, or whatever. Or like if you're cooking video, baking, homemade, like stuff like that. Make sure you're using trending hashtags and the discover hashtags. So whatever hashtags are trending at the moment, it'll actually be at the top of your hashtags. And I usually just use all of them because it usually gets my videos out there and it gets me more followers. So definitely use hashtags, use the relevant hashtags, and use For You page and FYP hashtags, because those are very, very important in the TikTok world. So my last tip for this video is going to be timing is everything. So depending on the time, your video can flop. You can post the same video at 2 different times and one will probably do better than the other because more people are active at the time you probably posted one of them. So normal times that are best to post is between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. or 12 to 6. There also is something that tells you exactly what times are perfect to post on TikToks. I will find it. It's on my phone. I don't know how accurate this is. I've tried to use it before and some are hit or miss. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up and then we'll talk. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see that. This is a TikTok graph and it says global best times to post on TikTok. So it says for Mondays, 6 a.m., 10 a.m., and 10 p.m. are the best times to post. Tuesday, 2 a.m., 4 a.m., and 9 a.m. Wednesday, 4 a.m., 8 a.m., and 11 p.m. Thursday, 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 7 p.m. Fridays, 5 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. Saturday, 11, 7, and 8 p.m. and Sunday, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and 4 p.m. So I don't know how accurate this is. I have tried to post on this exact times sometimes, and sometimes it has helped me, sometimes it hasn't helped me. So I don't think it's quite accurate, but why not try it to see? So you can Google best times to post on TikTok and the chart will probably come up. I would say post when you think more people would be on the app. So like after school, a lot of people go on after school, or like early in the morning, or like 11 o'clock at night. So just make sure you're posting at the right times. Kind of gauge when you think your followers are going to be on, because whenever they're more active, I think that'd be the better time to post. I usually post, not gonna lie, sometimes 8 times a day, and I do it every hour or every other hour, and they all do pretty well. So I just think it just depends on your type of video and, like I said, the timing. So just make sure you can do research on what times are best for you guys. But like I said, definitely look into that chart because some of them work, some of them don't. It just depends on when people are on. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget there is going to be a part 2 to this video, so I will be doing a part 2 probably today, but I will be posting it closer to the middle of the week. So you guys should definitely stay tuned for that, because you never know when it can go up. It can go up sooner. You just never know. So if you guys found these tips helpful, definitely oh my god, I cannot freaking talk today. Definitely tell me down below, because I would love to know. Or if you knew these tips already, I'm sorry that I didn't give you any new information. Maybe the next video will give you some new information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn my notification bell on so you guys can get notified when I do post the part 2. Not part 4, but the part 2 to this video. Like I said, you should follow me on TikTok. It's in the description down below. Definitely go check me out on there and then tell me that my YouTube channel sent you, because I would love to know. I don't know where people come from. People just follow me all the time. But like, I would love to know that you came from my YouTube channel, because I would definitely love the support and I will support you back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye.